Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Bria Janae. I used to be on YouTube a few years ago doing hair and makeup videos, but I decided to take a break and now I'm back. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I recently moved into an apartment and I'm obsessed with home decor. So yeah, so my channel will mostly be home decor, DIY, lifestyle, maybe some vlogs here and there. You never know what the mood is. But today, I have a bar cart. I'm obsessed with my bar cart. And it's so funny because I don't drink every day, but you know, it's real cute. If I have guests over, I can make us a little cocktail. We can do some shots, whatever you want. So today I will be showing you guys my bar cart, where I got it from, how I styled it, and some of the drinks that I have. So yeah, y'all, let's go. So I found the bar cart on a website called Abby's and Living. It is a home decor website. I do think currently the bar cart is sold out, but they do have an option that you can be notified when it is back in stock. So I will make sure that I go ahead and link it in the description box. It is $239 and it actually comes in gold, but I was brave and I decided to spray paint it silver so that it can match my decor. And I actually think it came out pretty good. So if you did get it and wanted to change the color, it does take. And yeah, I am obsessed with it. I love the shape of it, the shelves. So I will also try to find other options that look similar to this that may not cost as much. And I will definitely go ahead and link those down in the description for you guys. And now for the fun part, is putting all of this onto the bar cart. So I know it looks like a whole lot, and it honestly is a whole lot. But yeah, so I have my wines here. We have some alcohol, wine glasses, small little shaker, small shot glasses, some lemons. No, these are not lemons, Bria. We have some limes. I don't have any lemons right now. I have this wine book, which I am obsessed with because I don't know a whole lot about wine. And this is from Marshall's for $20. Also have my electric corkscrew. Focus, yep. And some fake plants, of course, because they're not getting any sunlight right there. And I have this letterboard that I am going to go ahead and put a little saying on there. Yeah, I'm excited to go ahead and put everything on the bar cart and get it all styled for you guys. I got this letterboard from Five Below. It was $5, of course. I really wanted to get a black one, but they didn't have any black ones in stock. So funny story, I was gonna go ahead and spray paint it black because I'll spray paint something in a heartbeat. But as you guys see, that didn't work out good. I put tape around here and it started messing it up. So I decided to just keep it how it is, and if I happen to come across a black one, then I'll replace it. And if not, then we'll just keep it how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put a quote on here and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Okay, so for this section, I decided to keep the Jack Daniels in its container and the Patron. I think it looks cute. So I'm going to slide this on here. Then I got this cute little fake plant from IKEA. Both were from IKEA. So I'm gonna throw that in there. my little tiny wine glass bottles. These are empty. I have to replace them, but I just kept the empty bottles because they looked cute. I'm also gonna throw my little limes on there. I have lime juice, but I hide it behind the message board. Oh no, something fell off. Cool. And then I also just set the message board on here and just throw it on my shaker. And that is the second shelf. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the liquor to the bottom shelf. I also put my wine grip down here and the fake plant on top of it, like that. And then of course I put the taller bottles towards the back. I love Jameson. Go ahead with this empty Hennessy bottle. And have you guys ever had this tequila? I randomly bought it, never had it before. Just everything doesn't have to be Patron. But I haven't tried it yet. Probably gonna make some margaritas if I have some company soon. The Tito's, Casamigos. Hopefully all of this fits. Crown Royal apple. Regular Crown Royal. I actually don't like Crown Royal for real. I know it's like hard to believe because it's almost gone, but it tastes like syrup. We have our Hennessy and the Douce. How did I have all this on here before? I'm gonna switch that up. Yeah, cool. And I have these little tiny Jack Daniel's shots. Just got them because I thought they were cute, of course. So we're just gonna throw those on there. And last but not least, our shot glasses. And that is my completed bar cart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have a bar cart or you're thinking about getting one, I would love to see pictures of it. Go ahead and send them to me on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link my Instagram in the description box below. But yeah, I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming soon.